We're just sitting here editing some footage. I went out the other night with one of my other local pilots, and he had a recovery, and I just wanted to film and get a few other angles, tell a story. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, let me know in the comments. If you are in the market for either a thermal drone, thermal scopes, binoculars, etc., check out thermalhunting.com. I'll put the link in the description, and Justin at Thermal Hunting can hook you up with whatever you need. I hope you enjoy the video.
There's a shooting off. Close, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's the only way they can get them without them getting my scent. There's one looks like or something. It's gonna walk out.
Yep, it's running back in now.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Couple of them in there.
Yep. That's moving pretty good. Let me go back to. So he was right in here.
Yeah. And I shot him to the left. Is that a deer right there?
Nah, it's probably a log.
Okay. Yeah, it's a log.
Yeah.
Is that moving? That may be him, because it's just right across that body.
Oh,
Yep.
Is that him?
I thought I saw a foot. That's him.
That's him, buddy.
Bitch, he is
You
a
got
good
him.
one.
He's a nice one.
Hold on. Let me go. Like, how do you put that on like Facebook for your thing? Like,
Just record a video. What I'll do is I'll have my thermal on. Then when you get going, I'll start the regular camera. You know what I'm saying?
I just didn't go far enough. I told you I didn't think he'd go 60, 80 yards, but it's so thick down in there.
Right. When you start recording, let me know, and I'll flip it over to regular and zoom in on him.
I'm gonna get a picture of you set up from
All
across
right,
the road.
I'm gonna start recording.
Okay.
Oh, let's see. All right, retouch. All right. Thought he looked like a good one.
It's a good one, buddy.
Well, it didn't take it long. Son of a gun. This day just gets more and more expensive. That's hilarious.
So what I can do here too is I'll just
While we're here, if you don't mind.
let me pull this up real quick, and that way when we're walking in, we'll just walk right to him.
Yeah.
What you want to see now? While we're here, you know.
Yeah, dang, he went exactly where I thought he went, and I just stopped short because I didn't want to burn it because I thought possum was gonna come in here and hunt the guy that let me hunt it. It's just that I didn't want to go in there and look at. Is that deer or?
No, that's water.
Okay, water.
Yeah, standing water is hard sometimes, and
Yeah.
standing water and rocks.
Oh yeah.
There you go. All right. What is that? I'm actually kind of looking for that damn bobcat.
Water right there.
That's right close to where they're thinning somewhere over there.
Oh, really?
And they ran deer out the other day, but they've been shut down for 2 days. They come right back in.
Yeah.
We're having, when I was telling you that that whole situation down here, that guy, he's trying his dangest to get over in here. They
Yeah.
got a lot of work in here. The other guy that's got the property that lets us hunt it is a little bit on the irritated side with him. But there's a deer right there.
Yeah.
It just, when you zoomed out,
Yeah.
right there it is.
Doe. Yeah. Oh, doe. Rabbit.
Oh, that is,
Rabbit.
rabbit?
Yep.
It's
That's
hard
a
to
big
tell the
rabbit.
scale when it's the only thing in the frame.
Yeah, it is. I ain't seen nothing bedded down yet, Tony.
No.
What you think? You want to go in there and get him before it gets dark on us?
Yeah.
Yep, he's off in that bottom right there to the left.
Okay, just right.
Right down there, yep.
So it's probably, well, it may be easier to just come right. How far is he from here?
Well, he ain't far at all. You can take this little cut right here if you want to, or we can walk it real quick.
I literally went down through here this morning. I was like, this is where we went.
Yeah.
There is no blood in here.
You're walking blind at that point. It's kind of hard to know where you're going, so.
Well, and it's so loud in here.
Yep.
Boy, I'm like, crap. If I miss him, but I can't believe I missed him.
You could have trekked through briars for 3 hours and never seen him. Oh yeah, I didn't even. My bad. I didn't know there was a road over here. Didn't look that far on my phone.
Crap, he's right there.
That's a good one, man.
That's a 10.
You want to get your picture with him real quick?
Yeah. That's not a 9, that's a 10.
Heck yeah.
Oh, he's still sick. No, he's a 9. He's missing his brain.
Let me get my flash on real quick. Get a little closer.
We just drag it right up to there and I'm driving.
Pull the truck over. Heck yeah, Bradley, get some good light on us.
Yep. Watch that briar.
All right.
We'll just go right up to that.
Got some weight to him, don't he?
Right over there to the left is where that opening is. Crap, we were right there. I got it.
You got it?
Hand me his head, I'll get up in there.
All right. Buckled him right up right there, didn't you? That's a good deer, dude.
I wonder where the daggone bullet went.
Yeah, I didn't see any hole or anything.
Right there.
Oh, you feel it?
I think.
Right under the shoulder.
I think. Somewhere right in there.
Huh.
Oh, there it is.
Nice.
No.
No?
I may have scared him to that. It's somewhere in there.